In October, I went and stayed at the Nashville Holston House location because I was in town for a half marathon, and I was really pleased with the hotel. The location in Nashville is great. It is only like about a block off of Broadway, and it is walking distance to just about everything that you would want in Nashville. And if you're planning to drive or get a ride share, it's also pretty centrally located without being right in the middle of everything. The lobby of the Holston House is beautiful, and when I arrived, it was the weekend before Halloween, so everything was decorated. They even had a cute little staff pumpkin carving / decorating contest, which was very fun and festive. The bar, the restaurant, all of the lobby had Halloween decorations that also matched with the vibe of the hotel. So I can only imagine how fun it would be if you were there around the holidays as well. My room at the Holston House was a 1 king bed deluxe on the 8th floor. I will say that it had a strange bathroom situation, as there was a water closet with the toilet and sink right when you came in, but then also a separate room, but it only had a shower and a sink. The hotel had a very comfortable bed, but the view wasn't great from my room as it just looked onto the neighboring hotel. I really appreciated the couch and small table at the foot of the bed in my room because it allowed me to have a place to sit, to eat takeout, and to entertain when I had a friend come visit, so we could sit and chat on the couch. The room keys at the Holston House are super cute, but they're actually really annoying to store and use. To have something small and round means that it could easily slide out of a wallet pocket, so I kept it in the zipper pocket of my phone case. Anytime I had to get it out, I would hold onto it so tight because if it fell down on the ground, it could just roll away from you. But it was cute and thematic for Music City. The hotel decor continues from the lobby into the rooms and all throughout the hallways. As you go up to the rooftop pool area, there is a photo opportunity wall, and then you exit into the pool area with a great view of Nashville. There is plenty of space to hang out, even if you're not swimming. The pool has a fun in-water lounge chair area, and then it has some space to swim, but it's not really too big, and sadly there's no hot tub, so I didn't use it on my late October visit due to temperature. The fitness center itself is bright, well decorated, clean, and has a great variety of equipment. I can't say that I used it since I was at this hotel to run a half marathon and did my exercise outside, but I did see some people use it, and it looked like it would be a great place to get your workout in. One thing I really like that I found when I was exploring the fitness center in the basement was a water fountain with a bottle filler. I think every hotel should have one of those. If you take one set of stairs from the lobby up, you'll get to a nice bar area. Looks like that there would be live music in the evenings, and I know that the hotel provides from the bar a bourbon or whiskey tasting when you come in, so there's definitely a fun vibe of that as well. Downstairs below the bar is the restaurant for the hotel, where I had breakfast every morning. It was delicious and reasonably priced for a hotel breakfast, about $15 to $20 for entrees, and they were good portion sizes. But I had breakfast included with my Hyatt Globalist benefit. I really enjoyed all of my coffees and breakfasts over the 3 days that I was there. Thinking about the Holston House after my 3-night, 4-day stay, I would say that the pros are that it is a great location with easy access to Broadway bars without having to be right on top of the action at night. The decor of the hotel is beautiful and feels boutique-y without being stuffy. They really got into the Halloween spirit, so I appreciated that, since it's my favorite holiday. The hotel is clean, quiet, and comfortable. The breakfast was good, and I never had to wait for a table. There is valet parking provided for globalists, which is a nice perk, as much of the Nashville area would be best done with a car. I didn't bring one, but I did end up using rideshare apps more than I would have wanted or planned to go see some of the sites that are further out from walking distance. So a car would be beneficial if you're hoping to see more of Nashville than just the downtown and Broadway area. As far as cons, I would say that the views are not much to note unless you're on a top floor and or the rooms that face 7th Avenue. My hotel room just looked directly at the wall of the neighboring hotel, so I really just kind of kept my windows closed. I also would like to ask what the deal could possibly be with the bathroom setup in my room. Was it just the King Deluxe room that has the bathroom with a toilet and a sink in one and a shower and a sink in the other? Or is it all the rooms? Because it is inconvenient to have to go from the shower wet out and across your room if you want to use the bathroom. Other than that, my only other con is good luck with that crazy record-shaped key. Make sure you plan ahead to not lose it, to know where it is, and never let it roll away. That is a silly con to end on, however, and it is because mostly I just completely enjoyed my stay at the Holston House. If you're looking for a hotel with great walking distance to everything you would want in downtown Nashville, plus a cozy, fun, and a little bit more upscale feel, then the Holston House Nashville is perfect.